how to change language on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change it easy and quick. First, just open Truecaller and here you will find your profile in the top corner. Click on it. Now click the settings icon here and then just scroll down until you find the app language. Click on it and then here you can change it. Click app language and select any language you want here and it will be changed, and that's it. Then just restart Truecaller, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.